Ready to upgrade your phone without losing a beat of your Mint Mobile service? Switching phones can seem daunting, but with Mint Mobile, it's surprisingly simple. Whether you're using a physical SIM card or an eSIM, first things first, let's get your old phone ready. Locate your SIM card slot, usually a small tray that you can open with a SIM ejection tool or a paperclip. If you're using a physical SIM, carefully remove the SIM card, keeping it safe. If you have an eSIM on your old phone, you will need to deactivate it now, which is almost as simple as removing a physical one. Many phones have an option titled Remove, Erase, or Turn Off. Check your phone settings for instructions. Now, let's move to your shiny new phone. For the physical SIM, gently insert the SIM card into the new phone's SIM card tray. Make certain it's positioned correctly. The shaped corner helps you with proper orientation. If you're using an eSIM on your new phone, the activation process may vary, but it generally involves scanning a QR code provided by Mint Mobile or using a manual activation process in the Mint Mobile app. Open the Mint Mobile app, then follow the instructions to activate your service on the new device. After activating the SIM card or setting up the eSIM, you might need to configure a few settings. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Go to your phone's settings and find network settings to ensure your phone is connected to a cellular network, which typically shows a signal icon in the upper right corner. And that's it. You should now be able to make calls, send texts, and use data on your new phone with your Mint Mobile service. If you encounter any issues during the process, Mint Mobile's customer support is always there to provide assistance. Enjoy your new phone.